Good morning everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto and welcome to this new video on Bitcoin. We're going to be talking about Bitcoin, we're going to be talking about this week, what it means for Bitcoin and what to expect. Because the last 24 hours we've been very volatile again yesterday as expected and as we talked about as well. We got some new bullish momentum from Bitcoin that made us break above 27,600. Reached this top at around 28,500, but we're struggling with that. You can also see that right now we're actually dropping pretty hard from that level. So yeah, just wanted to do a full video on kind of what's going on. I mean, right now, to be honest, there's a lot going on, especially in kind of the economic world, bank sectors and stuff. There are just new liquidity things like these for the dollar, which makes the situation for Bitcoin right now very difficult, I would say. But we're still going to, it makes it difficult to analyze, but we're still going to do our best, obviously. Before we get into that, I do want to say that if you want to receive daily trading signals, check out the links in either the description or the pinned comment. There you'll find instructions on how to join. All right, but if we take a look at Bitcoin right now, you can see that we've been fairly bullish this morning. To be honest, we barely respected this level around 27,500. You could argue that you can actually drag the level something like this. Then we did respect it, but all right. But now the big question is, I think if we just take a look at the technicals, all right, if we don't think about the fundamentals at all, if we just know that Bitcoin right now is bullish, which I think is fair to say, then the main level right now would be again that level, and then to be right, we're going to drag it down towards 27,250. This is the main level. If we actually want to rally up to our next price target, which is actually around 29,500, even though it's kind of a tough situation because 29,500 is a resistance level, but it's by far not as strong as 30,000. 30,000 is way stronger. That's also really a key level. It's obviously a major psychological level, but also has a 2.618, and we all know how we reacted to the 1.618 last time, or at least now you do. We reacted very much to it. So now the big question is we're going to drop down? It looks like it at least. Can we hold that 27,500 level? If we can for the next like 24 hours, then I think we can also get up towards 29,500 and 30,000. But then the fundamentals obviously come into play. And this week, it's quite an important fundamental week, obviously, with everything that's going on, which I'm trying to follow and research as much as possible, but it's hard sometimes. Dollar strength index, as you can see right now, has been a bit bullish over the last hour, but before that it was actually bearish. And overall, I would argue that we're still bearish with the dollar strength index. So that's obviously bullish for Bitcoin and for crypto. The thing though is that today is an important week because we'll also have the interest rate in the evening in 2 days on Wednesday. All right, so what would it be? I think in like 56 hours, something like that. So it's not soon yet, but the market usually reacts and just acts in a different way. Let's keep it at that, ahead of that news. So, you know, to kind of bypass those fundamentals, we can focus on the technicals, because if we can just stay on top of, as I said, 27,500, 27,250, that also means that the fundamentals are not that bearish, probably bullish. Or if they're not bearish, they're probably bullish. So then we can still assume that we're going up to 29,500. See, the thing is, and what I'm afraid of is if we drop down below 27,250, because then we only have 27,000 as a support. It's not that strong, and then 27,500 is a strong resistance. So that's the difficult part. If we drop down below that level, I actually think there's quite a big chance to at least drop down to 26,000, and who knows what could come afterwards. So yeah, that's I'll keep you updated. Of course, this was mainly a technical analysis, but know that this is a very important fundamental week as well. I'll keep you updated, but for now, take care. Thank you for watching, and bye.